be the player of the game. Mula sa TNT Katropa, Jason Castro with 23 points. Merong 7 rebounds, meron ding 8 assists. Napakarami. Consistently for the 4 wins, ikaw lang ang naging best player. But more so than the wins, alam ko happy ka na maganda rin yung nagiging laro ng mga teammates mo. That's what makes you more proud of every win na nakukuha ninyo.
Kailangan ko kasing i-involve yung mga teammate ko, especially on offense. Kasi kapag nakaka-shoot sila, that's the time na nakaka-drive ako. At saka, yun nga, yung mga open shot.
Ang susunod na game ng TNT, syempre matagal pa dahil mag-All-Star Weekend muna tayo. May mga kasama tayong bagets. Ito, anak ni Harvey Carey. Pero speaking of the All-Star Weekend, we'll be having clinic for kids. Maglalaro ka rin syempre sa North versus South. Excited?
Excited ako kasi yun nga, All-Star Big. Sana supportan yung All-Star Big at saka manood kayo ng live. At for sure, masisiyan kayo.
Mga nais pa bang batiin?
Yung mga taga sa amin lang, yung mga taga Pampanga, lalo na yung mga taga Sasmana at saka Guagua.
Nice. Harvey Carey Jr., do you have shoutouts?
I just want to thank Jason for being player of the game and congratulations, and that's it, I think.
Awesome. Thank you for joining us.